Okay students, in this video we can learn about discuss about the important 2 marks question in our second year physics 8th lesson, magnetism and matter. So the first question is, a magnet dipole placed in a magnetic field experiences a net force. What can you say about the nature of the magnetic field? So simply we can write non-uniform magnetic field. So if a magnet dipole placed in a magnetic field experiences a net force, the field may be non-uniform. And the second question, what happened to the compass needles at the earth pole? At the earth poles, the compass needle can point along any direction. If the needle is only capable of moving in horizontal plane as BH is equal to 0, or we can write another answer. At the earth poles, the compass needle can point straight down if the needle is moving in a vertical plane as BH is equal to 0. So in these two answers we can write any one. And the third question is, what do you understand by the magnetization of a sample? So we can write the statement definition of the magnetization. So magnetization of a sample is defined as its net magnetic moment per unit volume. So it is called magnetization. So M is equal to M net by V. And next one, the fourth question is, what is the magnetic moment associated with a solenoid? So in magnetic moment of a solenoid is, it will be represented by capital M is equal to NIA, where N is the number of turns in the solenoid, I is the electric current or current, A is equal to area of cross section. So A is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. And the fifth question, what are the units of magnetic moment, magnetic induction and magnetic field? So first one, magnetic moment. So the SI units of magnetic moment, ampere meter square or joule for Tesla. And next one, magnetic induction. So the SI units of magnetic induction, Tesla or Weber per meter square. And the third one, magnetic field strength. So the units are ampere per meter or ampere meter power -1. And the sixth question, magnetic lines form continuous closed loops. Why? The magnetic lines of a magnet form continuous closed loops because the magnetic poles north and south always exist together in pairs. Or we can write another answer. So magnetic lines form continuous closed loops because magnetic monopoles do not exist. So in these two answers we can write any one in examination point of view. And the next one, define magnetic declination. So the angle between the geographic north and north shown by compass needle is called magnetic declination, or the angle between the geographical meridian and magnetic meridian of the earth is called magnetic declination. And the eighth one, define magnetic inclination or angle of dip. The angle between horizontal to earth surface and net magnetic field of the earth BE at that point is called angle of dip, or angle of dip or magnetic inclination is the angle that the total magnetic field BE of the earth make the surface of the earth. And so we can write any one of the answer. And ninth one, classify the following materials with regard to magnetism. So the magnetic materials are manganese, cobalt, nickel, bismuth, oxygen, copper. So the diamagnetic materials are bismuth and copper. Paramagnetic materials are manganese, oxygen. Ferromagnetic materials are nickel and cobalt. And tenth one, the important 2 marks problem. a bar of magnet of length 0.1 meter and with a magnetic moment 5 ampere meter square is placed in a uniform magnetic field of induction 0.4 Tesla with its axis making an angle of 60 degrees with the field. So what is the torque on the magnet? So the formula tau is equal to mb sin theta. So tau is equal to where m magnetic moment is equal to 5 and b magnetic field 0.4 and sin theta 60 degrees sin 60 root 3 by 2. So 5 into 0.4 is equal to 2. So tau is equal to 2 into root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Tau is equal to root 3. That's equal to 1.73 Newton meter. And the next the problem is the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field at the certain place is 2.6 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla and the angle of dip is 60 degrees. What is the magnetic field of the earth at this location? So the formula is cos I is equal to He by Be. So B is equal to 2.6 into 10 power minus 5 by cos 60 degrees. That's equal to 5.2 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. And the 12th one, define Curie temperature. The temperature of transition from ferromagnetic to paramagnetism is called Curie temperature. And the 13th one, state Gauss law in magnetism. For magnetism, the net magnetic flux means pi suffix b through any closed surface is 0. So pi b is equal to 0 or integration b dot ds is equal to 0. So which needle is used to at poles? So dip needle is used to at the poles.